Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have special guests once again, my niece AYO and TOPE.
Hi guys!
And today we're going to be doing a slime challenge.
And it's called Siri picks our auntie's birthday edition. Don't choose the wrong slime ingredient! Okay, let's start. Okay, pick a number between 1 through 16 and then whatever number it picks, we take it from there. Okay, let's start. And Teal goes first, I go second, and I go third. Because I did school second. And Teal's Ola's birthday edition, she goes first. Everybody give a shout out to Auntie Ola, her birthday mom. And give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what color you think we'll get. Comment down below whose slime you think is going to be the best.
Siri, pick a number between 1 and 16.
The answer is 5.
Okay, guys, so
I got
glow in the
dark.
Lucky stuff.
So I'm gonna pour mine into my bowl, right?
Yes. Yeah, you can just squeeze it.
Okay. So you call your number.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 16. It's still 1.
The answer is 12.
I got clear glue. Lucky duck. I really wanted it. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 16.
It's 15.
Wait. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 16.
It's 14.
Do you need help?
No.
I squeezed it. Yeah, hey guys. Guess what I got? I got Lucky. Angel, you know how to do
But
this.
you're gonna put all the glitter in there?
Yeah, I'll do it. Angel, do you know how to do it? Let me help you. You squeeze it like this. Okay, guys,
All
so when we're done, we'll just put it. I choose to give some.
That doesn't have a dot.
Guys, we'll just put the. I don't know if you know what the green
I choose to give some.
and 10.
It's 10.
Yes.
Perfect.
I wanted a blue dough. Wait, this has a black mark. Is that like a grade or something? Oh, it's not
There,
fair.
but green goes together.
Yeah, mine's like a mermaid slime.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Your turn. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 16.
The answer is 12.
This is like a glass shell.
We used one already.
There we go. Hey
So
Siri.
say pick a number between 1 and 11.
It's 12.
1.
Be careful.
It's 12.
Hey Siri.
I can't do that, but you can change it in settings.
What the heck? I don't like my picture. Ugly. Everybody will be good.
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 14.
The answer is 3.
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 16.
The answer is 11.
No, she got black. And your turn.
Hey Siri, pick number 1, 7, 11, 4, 14, or 16.
The answer is 416.
Siri, pick a number between 11 or 7.
It's 63.
Pick a number between 1 and 11.
Hey Siri, pick a number, 7 or 11.
The answer is 73.
I have to pick a number between. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 11.
It's 3.
corn.
Mine's is summer.
Yeah, so yours is summer, mine is spring.
Summer, unicorn, and then mine is, mine would be winter.
Yours is winter, mine is spring. Or the summer. Guys,
Mine
this
should be
is,
summer. Mine is sunnier.
guys, do you think I should add the black or not? Comment down below. You guys think I should right now? Angela and I, do you?
I think you should give it to me.
Yours is already very interesting. I know a lot.
Look how pretty this turned.
Because you put too much.
You put too much glitter and all
I
that. That's
got
why
yellow.